welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about hairy black tongue. This is a harmless condition that is caused by the buildup of dead skin cells on the tiny projections that contains the taste bud. This traps yeast, bacteria, food, or tobacco in people who smoke. Main symptoms includes a hairy black-brown appearance on the tongue and extremely bad breath. Some causes includes excessive coffee drinking, poor oral hygiene and dry mouth, tobacco use, and the use of some antibiotics. Treatments include brushing your teeth after eating and after taking antibiotics, stop smoking, use a tongue scraper, and drink plenty of water. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!